CarHelpOut.com.
Hi everyone, and welcome
It's
back
the
to the channel.
convenience.
Car Help Out here, your simple way to get mobile mechanic service wherever you are. Today we're diving into the world of mobile Toyota mechanics and how they can help you with everything from on-the-spot repairs to pre-purchase vehicle inspections and even roadside assistance for Toyota problem. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/car help out and get a relief under house burdens. Let's face it, taking your car to the shop can be a hassle. That's where mobile mechanics come in. They bring the repair shop to you. Here are a few reasons why they're a fantastic option. Convenience. They show up wherever you are. Cost effectiveness. Lower overhead means you save money. Specialized expertise. Toyota trained mechanics know your car inside and out. A Toyota pre-purchase inspection can save you from unexpected repair costs.
It's the convenience.
Roadside assistance for Toyota problems ensures you're never left stranded. Regular maintenance and timely repairs keep your Toyota running smoothly for years. A well-maintained car isn't just a machine, it's a promise of freedom, reliability, and countless journeys ahead. CarHelpOut.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpOut.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and stay prepared.